Chakrasana. Chakrasana is beneficial to the nervous, digestive, respiratory, cardiovascular, and glandular system. It influences all the hormonal secretions and relieves various gynecological disorders. Dhanurasana. This posture is recommended as therapy for lower back pain due to slip disc or cervical spondylitis. When it can be performed without discomfort, it tones the heart and lungs and is beneficial for all respiratory disorders.
Machasana. This asana stretches the intestines and abdominal organs and is useful for all abdominal ailments. To remove constipation, drink 3 glasses of water and then perform this asana. It also relieves inflamed and bleeding piles. Bhujagasana. This asana can relocate a slipped disc, remove backache, and keep the spine supple and healthy. A stiff spine interferes with all nervous impulses sent from the brain to the body and vice versa.
Sarvagasana. This asana stimulates the thyroid gland, balancing the circulatory, digestive, reproductive, nervous, and endocrine systems. Together with the enriched blood flow to the brain, it also tranquilizes the mind, relieves mental and emotional stress, fear, and headaches, and helps clear psychological disturbances.
Vajrasana. Vajrasana alters the flow of blood and nervous impulses in the pelvic region and strengthens the pelvic muscles. It is a preventative measure against hernia and also helps to relieve piles. It increases the efficiency of the entire digestive system, relieving stomach ailments such as hyperacidity and peptic ulcer.